future. This is what you're going to feel in Unforgiven.
Goldberg is in an unforgiving night. Goldberg, 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 the jackhammer. The jackhammer set the rafters, and Goldberg has them done.
All right, Goldberg with knees to Rusev. Uh-oh.
Oh, my.
Jackhammer.
On top, Goldberg, settled Mark Henry.
Watch yourself play out.
Oh, the spear on the world's strongest man.
I know Teddy Long don't love that.
Goldberg. There's no way. There's just no way. 400 pounds. Goldberg looking to go for a jackhammer, but there. Oh my God, he did it! Goldberg did it! Goldberg jackhammered a 400-pounder. Goldberg and Michaels win it.
Lesnar center of the ring.
Goldberg's looking for a jackhammer.
He's looking for the jackhammer. Goldberg looking for the jackhammer. A jackhammer to Lesnar. Here's the cover. Oh my God! Goldberg beat.
7'4", 550. Can he get him up in the jackhammer?
If he does, the roof's coming off this joint.
Here we go.
Look at the size of this man.
They're standing everywhere. Oh, my. He's got it.
Oh my God.
1, 2, and 3.